Let's make some fancy fancy from scratch, okay? First, we are going to be marinating our fish, and we are going to be doing that with some garlic, ginger, and onion powder. Yes, let's add our fish seasoning, salt, white pepper, and also some red chili pepper. Yes, we are going to add some water and then we'll coat this with each of the seasoning, okay? We want the fish to be well coated with each of the seasoning. Yes. After this, the next step is to set it aside for about an hour. Yes. After that, just go back to making your stew. And with this stew, you need palm oil. Yes. Some sliced onions. Make sure that you fry this very well before you go in with your blended pepper mix. And this blended pepper mix contains some pepper, tomato, onion, and garlic. Yes, you do not want to use some tomato paste for this stew. It has to be everything fresh, fresh, fresh. Okay, yeah. So let's stir this and make sure that everything is well incorporated. Then we go ahead to cover this and we'll let it also simmer for a few minutes. Okay, you have to leave it to simmer for a few minutes. After that minute, you can see we got some water out, and the next thing to do here is to introduce our fish. You do not want the stew to be completely done before you introduce your fish. You just want to put it in while the stew is not really done so that it can cook well with the stew. Okay, it can cook well with the stew, and it can also get some of the juice from the stew, and the stew also gets some of the seasoning from the fish as well. Yes, so this is what you have to do. Now that we've done this, add the rest of the stock. Okay, this pour it inside. Okay, so it can add some more flavor to what we already have here. Okay, yeah. Now let's go ahead and cover this also and let it simmer for few minutes. Okay, let this simmer for few minutes. Take your time when cooking this because you do not want to break your fish into the stew. So you flip it over gently so that everything is just well cooked and nothing is breaking into your stew. Imagine serving yourself with no fish at all just because everything is just into the stew like that. Add some Maggie cube and also some salt and add any other seasoning of your choice. Okay, yes, you can add some curry powder, some rosemary, some clove if that is what you prefer, but you can go ahead and use this Kivo curry plus. Okay, let this simmer for a few minutes. Add anything else like any pepper, extra pepper or onions to this and leave it to simmer for a few minutes. If today is your first time coming across my channel, you are welcome and thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do well to subscribe. Click on that bell notification icon so you do not miss out on any video I'll post next in the future. Yeah, make sure you also share your thoughts in the comments. Share this video so that your loved ones, your friends that wish to know how to make this will be able to make one for themselves. Okay, yes. If you are a returning subscriber, you are welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and your thoughts are always welcome. So you can enjoy this with some rice, fancy kinky or benku. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye.